towards Cambridge, or I don't know where you go for the park on Dakota. But I guess I'd be interested in doing that. No, no, try. Roger. Did you ever sign up on their website? You know, you gotta use your phone and create a password. Negative. No, I have not. So I'll have to try that here. I wonder how many people go out there when it's like freezing cold out there. But yeah, I'll go and do that. tried to reach